everybody for coming in today and celebrating this special moment with all of us. And I just have to say that my daughter, my love of my life, I'm going to miss her a lot.
Roshani loves attention. I think this wedding alone is proof enough to support my claim.
Welcome to the family. You two complement each other beautifully. And now I officially give my partner in crime to you.
Every single one of you here today is special to us, and having you here makes this moment even more beautiful.
Everyone cheers to Roshani and Shiv.